All right, today's a fun one. It's the single arm cable chest press with rotation. This is one of my favorite movements. You're going to start with your feet at about what I call an A-frame, which is not quite straddle. And as you grab hold of the pulley, as you exhale, rotate into a lunge and press your arm into full extension. Now, if you'll notice, I have my opposite hand in my hip fold, and that's to draw the hip of the front leg back, which you're going to feel that front hamstring and glute fire. Now, keep your front ribs down and in and your core under control. Let the body come to one long line from heel to crown, and see if you can master 5 of these on each side, maybe 10 of these on each side, maybe 2 sets of 10. The most important thing is to focus on control and see if you can really pair your breath with the movement. Now feel free to switch to the opposite side. I'm going to give you a quick view of what that opposite angle looks like. You're going to do the same amount of reps, and you've got yourself now a great workout.